On a worksheet, select the cell or range of cells that you want to add a border to. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the arrow next to Borders button, and then click a border style. The Borders button displays the most recently used border style. You can click the Borders button instead of arrow to apply that style. There are many predefined border styles. Along with these predefined borders, you can also customize borders. Go to Draw Border option to draw a boundary freely. Hold left click and mark the range. Go to Draw Border Grids, to freely draw grids. To change border color and style, click the arrow next to Border button and go to Border Color. In the color box, select the color that you want to use. To change the boundary style, go to Border Style and click the line style that you want to use for the border. Press Escape to deselect border drawing tools. If you want to remove borders, select the cell or range of cells that you want to remove a border from. Click the arrow next to Borders button, and then click No Border. Or just click Erase Border to grave the eraser. To remove borders, hold left click and mark the range. Borders button will show the most recent tool that you have selected. To change it, click arrow and select any border type.